Pacific Science Center's mission is to ignite curiosity and fuel a passion for discovery and experimentation in all of us. PacSci has been really excited to partner with Smart Technologies to create these Lumio lessons that go along with some of our digital discovery workshops so that we can expand that access to STEM education even further beyond our live programs. Teachers are always really excited to have us in their classrooms virtually. They let us know that it's very convenient and easy for them to be able to set these up, and then it's really fun for their students to get to see and experience and talk with folks who are experts in these different STEM topics. We have Lumio lessons that pair with our Animal Adventures program, our Ecosystem Investigators, and Global Soundscapes. After Digital Discovery Workshop, we just really hope that our learners are able to be inspired, to be curious, to learn more about science, technology, engineering, and math, and to be able to see those things in their everyday lives and carry those things forward into the future. For more information on Digital Discovery Workshops and Lumio lessons, click the link in the description below.